So today I'm going to be so direct over here because I'm going to show you how you can just make money watching YouTube videos. And you can see over here there's a lot of payment over here, $5, $26, $100, and all that money just made through the people, something that is available in all countries. And maybe to open the people account you don't have to be worried, because to open the people account is just very easy to do that. Yeah, so this platform is known as let's just go over there, and the next platform we are going to be using over here is the YouTube videos. So the moment you just go to the YouTube videos, you just see a lot of videos, and all those one will just come to see what we are going to do and connect these two platforms, because we will just be working with the YouTube, and the other platform we are going to be working with over here is called we'll always see it just two platforms, then we are okay with that. The next platform we are going to be using over here, I said first of all we are going to be using YouTube, and the next one we are going to be using R7 URL short. The moment you just go to the Chrome and search that one, you just come over here, this platform over here. All you have to do is just copy something on the YouTube and come and paste it to this platform, and then you start making money. The moment you just go to the YouTube over here on the Explore, I want you to go to the gamings. That why the reason we have selected games is because these three niche get a lot of views and a lot of people just watching these videos, man. Yeah, so the moment we just click games over here, you will always see these videos over here that have a lot of viewers over here, millions of viewers. Those are videos I want you just to click. You can see that video over here, number one over here is as 47 million viewers. It does not even have 1 month. Just imagine like that. So I want us to copy the link of this video, one of the video that has a lot of viewers over here. Yep. And make sure that you just subscribe to this channel, man. Like this video, subscribe to this amazing family over here. Yeah, click share for you to copy the links. So for those you don't know about this one, sorry, my computer is slow somehow. And then you copy the link of that video. The moment you just copy the link of that video, you come again to our platform over here and click and paste the link over there, and then you click shorten. Then you shorten the link. Look at that link and look how it will be. It has just shortened, you see. So the moment you just go and copy this link after shortening it using the URL short website, then you go to other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, your WhatsApp, everywhere, and then you just tell people to click those links and watch the video, or for using the link you have shortened. Then you always get some money and some commission. You always come to see about that one. The moment you go to my dashboard, you can see this is where you always get your payment on after people just come and watch your video. So you can see over here, number one, we have total viewers and all that one. So to sign up for this platform, all you have to is just go to sign up, and you can see little document are just required over here. Yeah, this platform is so simple. Okay, you sign up, and then you get your login password, and you get your username and password. For me, I have my username and password, so I'm going to log into my account so that we can see that one. And now you can see there's total viewers, there's total earning, there's referral earning, and average CPM. So these things, okay, if you just sign in, you get the link, you'll always be coming over here to click you paste the link over there, give the link your name, and then you just shorten it. The moment you just shorten it, you always get your link that you have to share to people, and then you just be getting commission when people use your link to watch that video over there. It's just simple as that. This is on that's why the system will just rejecting, is because I've used the same link I've shortened already. I have pasted over there, but you will just copy the original name, and then you come and paste them and give people like this one. If I just share this link and people go and watch that video, I will be earning money from that. So you can see the withdrawal over here. That is where your money will just be accumulating over here. Your CPM is called as cost per mile, which means how much you will just be paying per 1,000 viewers. Yeah, So pending withdraw, available balance, and the total withdrawals. So you can see that is why you're just checking all those balances. And you can be asking me, yeah, you can see this is your referral link. Also, you always earn a referral of 8% of their earnings for their life. That is earning 8% of what your downlines makes. So you can see here the payment is just made through all those ones. You can see there's PayPal, there's Bitcoin, there's Web Money, there's Perfect Money, there's Pay, there's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum. All those methods are available. All you have to do is just to open a PayPal account and come and get the link, the email of your PayPal account. Come here, paste it, and then you just submit. The moment you just reach $5, you always be receiving your money to your PayPal account. And the moment you just put your account over there on the PayPal money on the PayPal, then you just connect it maybe to your mobile banking or maybe your FXPesa if you are in Kenya. So that is very, very simple to use that one. You can try that one. You are short, you just sign up, you go to the YouTube, go to the video that just rank high, copy and shorten the link, share the link, people watch that, use your link, and that's all. And you start making money on using that one. Consider subscribing to the channel. We always see you in the next video. I love you so much, guys. Bye.